If you're eager to venture beyond the realm of traditional investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds and have your sights set on the enticing world of real estate, you're certainly not alone. You're part of a growing community of forward-thinking investors. To put things into perspective, out of the staggering 19.95 million rental properties in the United States, a remarkable 70% are owned by individuals, as per census data. Real estate, it seems, has always held a special allure for those seeking a path to financial growth. And why wouldn't it? Land, in all its diverse forms, represents an investment opportunity of colossal proportions. It's an asset that remains perpetually in demand, an evergreen essential. Whether it's a plot for a cutting-edge factory, a gleaming corporate headquarters, or simply the canvas upon which to construct your dream home, land is the bedrock of progress. When it comes to withstanding the ebb and flow of economic tides, few investments can hold a candle to the timeless appeal of real estate. Embarking on the journey of real estate investing as a newcomer might seem like a daunting task, but rest assured, it's a journey well worth undertaking. Skeptical? Let me reassure you, it most definitely is worth your consideration. Here's why. Why invest in real estate? 1. Building a diverse portfolio. In the world of investing, adhering to the golden rule of diversification is paramount. Why? Because different assets have their own unique rhythms and performance patterns. By constructing a diversified portfolio, you not only enhance your potential returns but also fortify your defenses against risks. 2. A reliable stream of income. Now, let's delve into one of the most enticing perks that beckon beginners to the realm of real estate investing, a steady and predictable source of income. Imagine this. You own a property, and someone else pays you rent every month without you lifting a finger. It's like having your money tree. 3. Owning a tangible asset. There's an undeniable emotional aspect to owning a piece of land, a sentiment that resonates with our primal desire for a place to call our own. But the advantages don't stop there. The beauty of possessing a tangible asset lies in its potential to appreciate over time. It's an investment that can turn into a handsome payday down the road. 4. Tax advantages. When you embark on your real estate investment journey as a novice, you'll be delighted to discover the treasure trove of tax breaks and benefits awaiting you, especially if you're a landlord. From deducting expenses related to property management to various operational costs, there's a realm of tax-saving opportunities waiting to be explored. However, wading into this terrain as a newcomer can be a daunting task without proper guidance. Fear not, though, for we're here to equip you with the essential tools and techniques for beginners in the captivating world of real estate investing. Real estate investment avenues. The U.S. real estate market has seen a staggering 12.9% growth between 2021 and 2023. While experts predict a slight slowdown in the coming year, there's still a sense of cautious optimism in the air. 1. Unlocking passive income through rent. One of the most straightforward methods of harnessing real estate for a steady stream of passive income is by becoming a landlord. It's like clockwork. Each month, money flows into your account as your property is occupied. Your role mainly involves ensuring that the space functions smoothly. However, keep in mind that finding tenants and addressing maintenance and repairs may require some hands-on effort. 2. The art of house flipping. House flipping is an exhilarating journey of temporary ownership. Here, you purchase a property with the intent to enhance its value and sell it for a tidy profit. If you revel in activities like construction work, painting, or plumbing, this might just be your kind of real estate adventure. Just be prepared for a bit of a waiting game as you seek out the perfect buyer for your transformed property. 3. Dive into crowdfunding. For those seeking real estate investment without outright property ownership, crowdfunding offers an intriguing avenue. It's akin to an equity investment in which a crowdfunding platform pairs you with potential real estate investments. The beauty of this approach is its accessibility. You can get started with as little as $1,000. Notable crowdfunding platforms include Fundrise, CrowdStreet, and Realty Mogul. 4. Embrace the rate route. Real estate investment trusts provide an accessible gateway for beginners to enter the world of real estate investment. These investment vehicles have gained popularity, with the U.S. boasting 190 REITs in 2023, collectively valued at $1.3 trillion. REITs represent entities that own diversified real estate assets, ranging from office buildings to hospitals and resorts. By investing in REITs, you can enjoy dividends from your shares with generally favorable returns. Plus, there's a variety of rate types to cater to your preferences. 5. The REIG approach. Real estate investment groups introduce an element of collective decision-making to your investment journey. In this setup, a consortium of private investors pools their resources to acquire physical assets. Each REIG boasts its investment strategy, which might involve renting or flipping properties. Crucially, all members must be aligned with the chosen path. Keep an eye out for potential fees associated with REIGs and gather all the pertinent information before committing to this collaborative venture. Now that you've glimpsed the various avenues within the world of real estate investing, it's time to embark on your exciting journey with newfound confidence. Roadmap to real estate investing for beginners. 1. Market mastery. Know your local landscape. Your journey into real estate investing begins with a deep dive into your local market. Understanding the lay of the land, what types of properties are fetching what prices, is your foundation. It's like having a treasure map. You need to know where the X marks the spot. 2. Paperwork precision. Dot every I, cross every T. Before you even think about signing on that dotted line, here's a cardinal rule: ensure your paperwork is pristine. Scrutinize every document, every contract, with unwavering attention. It's a checklist that demands precision. 3. Investment vision. Define your objectives. Clearly define your investment objectives. What kind of property aligns with your goals? But don't stop at theory. Venture out to the actual site. Walk the ground, survey the neighborhood, and feel the potential. 4. Mentorship magic. Seek a knowledgeable guide. Every successful journey benefits from a seasoned guide. In the world of real estate, finding a mentor is your secret weapon. Look for someone with a proven track record and a wealth of experience. And here's a pro tip: opt for someone who won't break the bank with their guidance. 5. Niche knowledge. Specialize and conquer. Discover your niche and immerse yourself in it. Whether it's residential properties, commercial spaces, or something unique, mastering your chosen area is the key to success. Once you've conquered one, consider expanding your horizons. 6. Start small, dream big, begin with caution. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to bet the farm from day one. Start small, dip your toes in the water, and gradually build your confidence. It's a journey that rewards those who tread with care. 7. Connect and conquer. Leverage the digital realm. In today's interconnected world, social media is a goldmine of information. Use it to your advantage. Network with fellow real estate enthusiasts, tap into trusted circles for insights, and, above all, become a research maestro. Only when you've fortified your knowledge fortress should you take the plunge. Armed with these strategies, you're poised to embark on your real estate adventure with wisdom and determination. As you wrap up this insightful journey into the world of real estate investing, you've unlocked some invaluable secrets to building wealth through property. We hope these nuggets of wisdom have ignited your passion for this exciting venture. But the adventure doesn't have to end here. If you're hungry for more, if you're eager to discover where and how to unearth those lucrative real estate deals, simply click on the video displayed on your screen. It's your next step toward unraveling the mysteries of the real estate market. So, go ahead, click that link, and continue your quest for financial prosperity through the incredible realm of real estate investments. Your journey is just beginning.